Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager on your website. So Google Tag Manager helps you boost your website's SEO. It gives you the ability to create and update your own tags for site analytics, remarketing, conversion tracking, and much more. Now let's set up our Google Tag Manager. So just go ahead and search Google Tag Manager, and from here, click the first link to go to their website. Then it's recommended to create one account for one company. So let's go ahead and create an account by clicking here. And then let's add our account name or the company name and select which country applies. Then let's set up the container and put in your container name. You can use your domain name for this one. So go ahead and put that here. And then below, just click on the platform you're going to use it for. And then just click create and agree to the service agreement. Click here and click yes. As soon as the account is created, a pop-up should show. This would be the instructions on how you install your Google Tag Manager. Basically, you'll have to add these code snippets to the code of your website. So, as an example here, I'll be using my Shopify store. So from here, I'll click on Online Store, Themes, and then click on the three dots and click Edit Code. So whatever website you're working on, you have to edit the code of that website. So from the instructions, you have to copy and paste this code snippet to the head as high in the head of the page. So this is the head part, and I'll just copy and paste it after the meta. All right. And then from here, this other code snippet should go after the opening body tag. So I'll search on my code body, and there you go. And then I'll just have to copy and paste it right after. And then once you've copy and pasted the code snippets in your website's code, don't forget to click save. And that's it. That's how easy it is to install Google Tag Manager on your website. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.